When the world became connected by information, data became the foundation of decision-making. Transparency became the new standard. Manufacturing is going through the same transformation. From screens to management systems, from algorithms to the factory floor. Customers no longer want just delivery. They want predictable outcomes. CNC machining workshops are also evolving, upgrading both production and management. As a custom rapid manufacturing service provider, WayKen chooses clearer data and more efficient workflows to support the execution of projects of every kind, making information traceable, processes controllable, and management truly transparent and efficient.
First, we connected the entire workshop. All CNC machinists are networked and integrated into the system via Ethernet, with running, idle, and alarm status linked to a real-time digital dashboard. The system automatically checks actual machining time, daily output, utilizations, and abnormal events for every machine. Combined with the OEE analysis, it delivers accurate, traceable data continuously. There are no manual reports and no data filled in after the fact. The system knows exactly how much machining time each part truly takes. That makes cost calculation more precise and ensures every quotation is built on a stable, reliable fact.
Data only works when the machines behind it are stable. For key equipment, WayKen uses independent temperature control and keeps every machine under continuous system monitoring. Issues don't wait until something breaks. The system flags risks early. That means we know which machines are the most stable, and we assign critical projects to the right equipment from the start. Problems and scrap are reduced before they happen.
At the same time, the system checks real-time workload and available capacity across the shop floor, providing solid data for scheduling. With this system in place, delivery date predictions are now 92% accurate. For customers, that means clearer timelines and fewer surprises, right from the planning stage. For tool management, WayKen has introduced smart tool cabinets. Tool checkout and return are fully automated, and with card or facial recognition, the entire process takes just 10 seconds. Tools are linked to work orders and access permissions, preventing mix-ups and ensuring clear accountability. Every operation is uploaded in real time, and the system automatically generates tool usage and tool life reports. It shows that were once hard to support. Losses, inventory, discrepancies, and hidden consumption are fully eliminated. As a result, machining becomes more stable and the cost structure becomes far more transparent. When machining tools and processes are all integrated into one system, project execution no longer depends on individual experience. It's built on a structure that is stable and verifiable. Through digital and system-driven management, WayKen keeps delivery timelines, quality, and communication on a clear, controlled track. In real-world operations, on-time delivery has increased to 88%, customer satisfaction has reached 90%, and overall production efficiency has improved by 13%. If you have customer manufacturer needs or you are looking for a partner with transparent processes, faster response, and reliable delivery, WayKen is ready to support your next project with system-driven manufacturing expertise.